Welcome to another episode of Feed the Birds by To Renew Crafts and Creations. In this video, I'll show you how to turn an ordinary orange into a delightful bird feeder using just chopsticks and twine. Perfect for attracting our bird buddies and adding a touch of nature to our garden. So let's get started. You want to slice the orange in half horizontally, and then just taking one of the halves, use your knife and cut along the edges of your orange, making your way all the way around the orange. And then you'll take a spoon and scoop the insides out. Gently push one chopstick through the side of the orange near the top edge. Use a twisting motion to help the chopstick pass through both sides. This will create a perch for the birds. Repeat the process with the second chopstick, making an X shape. Now we're just going to take some twine and tie it up so we have a way to hang our feeder outside. I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and trim the ends here. And then we're going to tie the same type on the other side so that it's a little more stable. Fill the orange shell with birdseed, then sit back and watch the birds enjoy their new feeder. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to subscribe to Renew Crafts and Creations for more bird-friendly ideas. Happy crafting!